got D-Lynn here on another Patreon request music reaction video. Tonight's Patreon request comes to me from my favorite Aussie, and I hope that I pronounced that right. But anyways, Stephen Kendrick, who is still on his campaign to get me more knowledgeable on Australian artists and songs. Tonight, he requested that I react to, and I'm probably going to mess this up, and I have to actually look at my notes, Gajang. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Gajang and their song, Sounds of Them, This Is Australia. And at first I got whiplash because I was like, didn't I react to This Is Australia already? But I have a feeling that this may be something different. This is the second track off of their self-titled debut album from 1985. The founding members from this Australian pop rock band came together from other projects and gained a solid following from their live debut at the Mosman Hotel in March 1985. Gajang was their highest selling album, and Sounds of Them became the band's most popular song, being described as a defining portrait of the nation. The song had been used in various forms of media, including a Coca-Cola ad. And for all of you that don't know, because I didn't know, since this is the first time I'm hearing of them, Gajang's name is onomatopoeic, for the sound of a guitar playing a loud chord. That's new to me. Anyways, I'm curious about this crazy named band, so I'm just gonna hop right in and react to Gajang and their song Sounds of Them, This Is Australia. Sounds pretty cool. It's totally 80s and I love it.
The sounds of them and people talking scenes recall by minute movement and songs that fall from the backing tape. A certain texture, that certain smell, the lying sweat on familiar sheets in briefing near on finance beds in a room of silent hardy face. A certain texture, that certain smell brings home the heavy day, brings home the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crackle the cane fields and laugh and think this is Australia.
Okay.
The block is awkward, it faces west, long diagonals and sloping too. And in the distance, through the heat haze, in convoys of silence, the cattle graze. A certain texture, that certain beat, brings forth the nighttime heat. Out on the patio we sit,
this is wild.
And the humidity we breathe. Watch the lightning crackle the cane fields, laugh and think that this is Australia.
Yeah, play that guitar. I like that move.
Lying sweat on familiar sheets in briefing around.
This guy has me dancing, I can't help it.
In a room of silent hearted makes a certain texture, that certain smell brings forth the heavy days, brings forth the nighttime swell. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crackle the cane fields and laugh and think this is Australia. Out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crackle the cane fields and laugh and think this is Australia. This is Australia.
This was wild. Alright, Ganga Jang. You know, I feel like as many songs that Steven alone has asked me to react to that has to do with Australia, I feel like either I should know a whole lot more about the continent or I actually need to go there because it just seems so lovely out there. And I'm just like, I want to be there. I want to know what he's singing about. I want to know what they're talking about. I need to go. So I don't know, guys, maybe someday, but not the This Is Australia song that I was thinking of, which was, I think, by 2 members of the Seekers. Perhaps it might have been all of the Seekers at some point, but totally different song. Not what I was thinking, but I do like this. That one was nice. This one, it's probably more my speed. The pop rock, you know, thing. I vibe with it. I wish that I had lyrics. I had no idea, unfortunately, what he was saying. A few things stood out, but it basically sounded like he was just singing about things that made Australia special and unique. That's kind of what I was getting out of it. Of course, I'm wrong all the time when I try to just guess at what song lyrics are when I have no idea what they are. The video itself was super cool. It was so trippy. It just made me miss the 80s so much. That's when videos were cool. That's when MTV was awesome. Did you guys have MTV? You probably had a version of it, I would assume. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure in research throughout Steven's campaign, I might have come across info on that, but I just can't remember right now. But any channel on any station anywhere in the world that plays music, I feel like the time period, like what, early 80s throughout the 90s and maybe even early to mid 2000s, I feel that was the best time for it all. And you can fight me, that's fine, but that's just my opinion. Yeah, that song was wild, and the band members were cool. I liked them. That guitar player, you know. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. Trippy song, trippy video, and I like both. So that was definitely cool. And then they have an awesome onomatopoeic name, so I'm gonna have to like this band whether I like it or not. Definitely hope I see more of them on my channel for, if nothing else, more crazy videos. And I like saying their name, Ganga Jang. Thank you, Steven. I appreciate you and your wild and crazy requests. I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. If you did, please leave me a like. And if you're new to my channel, I hope there's something on here that will make you want to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on this Patreon request reaction video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Ganga Jang!